Here's some of the babies. Here's Jigglypuff. Hello, Jigglypuff. Here's his brother. Hello, R2D2. Mavis. Charlie's in the corner. This is Marley. Hello, Marley. This is Mariella. Hello, baby girl. Hello, Santos. This is Santos. He's got a snotty nose. Yes, he has. But he's lovely. Oh, Lee Mariella. Oh, Mrs. Hello, Lisa. Hello, Lisa. Lisa has no eyes. Lisa's blind. This is Walter. Walter. He's a bit sketchy with all the others, but he's my buddy. Hello, Shira. Hello, Shira. Hello, gorgeous. Mavis. Hello, Mavis. Hello, Mavis. Mariella. Mariella. This is the rest of the cabin. The doggies are all asleep. This is Gussie. Hello, Gussie. Hello, Mrs. Are you okay? This is for my friends. And Precious. Hello, Precious. That's Jay. Hello, Jay. And this is where they all chill. Hello, Marilyn. So, just so you have a rough idea of where I live and what I'm doing, lads. There she is. Hello, Minnie Moo.